Hello guys, in this video let's discuss about Azure Event Hub pricing tiers and pricing. Now let's first discuss about pricing tiers. So pricing tier is at namespace level and not at Event Hub level. And pricing tier, it can be basic, standard, premium or dedicated. So if we go to Azure portal and where we are creating this Event Hub namespace, you can see this pricing tier. And it can be premium, standard and basic. Now generally use basic or standard for our local development purpose, standard for dev or QA, and premium or dedicated for production. Again guys, it depends on our requirement, but carefully select pricing tier as it cannot be changed. For example, we cannot migrate from standard tier to premium tier. Now let's discuss about pricing. So Azure Event Hub pricing is combination of pricing tier and number of TUs, that is number of throughput units. Now what are TUs? We have already discussed. So more TU is greater performance and it can handle more number of events, and pricing, it's billed per hour. And now let's actually see the pricing. So you can see 4 pricing tiers, that is basic, standard, premium and dedicated. And for basic it's $0.015 per hour per throughput unit. For standard it's $0.03 per hour per throughput unit. For premium it's $1.233 per hour per processing unit. So guys, what is processing unit? We will see it in our upcoming videos. And again, we may have this dedicated tier as well. And one more thing guys, if you observe, this event capture, this option is not there in basic. It's there in standard, but you have to pay additional $73 per month per throughput unit, and it's included in premium and dedicated tiers.